In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best foods for celiac disease. And the first one is going to be the most surprising. The first one is the body of Christ, bread itself, gluten itself. If you are a Christian and you are afraid of gluten, then you are afraid of Christ. Fucking knock that shit off. You can tolerate energy and nutrients. It is stupid to be Christian and be afraid of the body of Christ. Now, what is actually causing your digestive issues is a stressful event in your life. What was the stressful event that started all of your digestive issues? And when you resolved that stressful issue in that instance of time, you probably celebrated with some dairy, with an ice cream, with a pastry or something like that. And that is when all your symptoms started, and that is when you started to blame food. So the first and most important food of getting over celiac, getting over gluten intolerance, is starting to perceive gluten as safe. If you start to perceive gluten as hard to digest, this is going to give your gut symptoms. This is going to put your gut into overdrive as it goes, oh my God, gluten, the body of Christ, oh my God, we're going to need to put our gut into overdrive to digest the body of Christ. No, just relax and just eat it. Put some dairy on it. Put some butter on it. You know, take some butter, put it in the toaster, and, you know, just eat it. Eat it, enjoy it. Don't be afraid of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K2. Dairy is very good for you. The only reason you may react to it is if it is somehow linked back to the traumatic event. Were you eating ice cream when the conflict got resolved? Were you eating ice cream when you saw your significant other walking with somebody else? Were you eating ice cream when you got fired from your job? How do these food intolerances link back to the original conflict? Link back to the original stressor? Or what belief inside you, what ridiculous, idiotic belief inside you needs to die now to be fucking afraid of baby food? How in the fuck can you be afraid of baby food? It's just the dumbest shit on earth. How in the hell can you call yourself a Christian and be afraid of the body of Christ? This is how retarded we are being today, and we need to wake the hell up. You can tolerate energy and nutrients, but you have to use your brain. Your brain controls your whole body. How can you be afraid of vitamin A? It's fucking stupid. It's fucking dumb. Okay, so eggs are another great source of protein. So when your gut is in and out of overdrive due to modern stupidity, it is going through lots of protein. So eggs are a great source of protein. I recommend pasture-raised eggs, you know, getting the best sources you can. But again, it's not the quality of the food that is causing your digestive issues. It's how you perceive the food, whether it is safe or not. Okay? So we're gonna, meat, whether it's organic hot dogs or breakfast sausage, it's morning right now for me, or it's steak or chicken or whatever source of protein it is that you want, it is important that you get protein into you. But the most important thing for celiac disease, and please, if you have a severe reaction to celiac, to gluten, like you go into anaphylactic shock, I want you to be very careful getting gluten back into your diet, getting the body of Christ back into your diet. You definitely want to work with a German new medicine specialist in order to get this back into your diet. But if you just get like diarrhea and gut cramps and stuff like that from eating gluten and like very minor symptoms, you can start trying to perceive gluten as safe. Go back in time, and when was it when you decided the body of Christ wasn't good for you? Did you go on a specific diet? Did you read a book? Did you listen to a YouTube video? Start to kill that belief. It needs to die. It is a stupid belief. And, you know, I used to be there too. I understand it. But, literally, it doesn't matter what you eat. It matters how you perceive the food that you're eating. So that is what you need to do to get better from celiac, but I have a more in-depth guide in my description. It's a 30-day plan. It's absolutely free. It comes with a free PDF. Just go down there. You need to go down there and click it. It's going to destroy all these crazy beliefs and help you eat whatever you want again. Life is miserable when you can't enjoy bread. I mean, go to Italy. Try to go to Italy, and then you're going to be a freaking hypocrite and go, oh, I'm going to go visit all these Christian relics and monuments, and then I'm going to be afraid of the body of Christ. The idiocy is interwoven in our modern culture. It is ridiculous. So I want to help you live free again, enjoy your life, so you can have that healthy body that you want. But in order for you to do that, you need to go down and click on that link to get that free 30-day plan. So, all right, guys, good luck, and please be careful if you go into anaphylactic shock. You're going to need to work with a professional if that is the case. So, bye-bye.